support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
Hello, Sherry. How are
Hello.
you? How are you today?
I'm doing well.
Wonderful. We're going to talk a little bit about NeuroLab. NeuroLab is bringing the air gesture you see in Minority Report to life. One of my favorite movies, by the way. They're redefining user interaction by converting hand-to-body motion into device commands using a simple webcam. So that is NeuroLab, and I have a feeling you're going to show us how this works.
Yeah.
All right.
I have it just loaded on my phone.
Okay.
It may not be as useful, but
well,
just to show.
There's a little internet issue at CES here, so I think we're feeling fortunate we can even beam out of here with the program today. It's been challenging to have, with the Wi-Fi and the internet in here. You know, it's ridiculously slow.
So congested.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we have trouble as well.
Yep.
Yeah, no, yeah. So I have something on my phone. So this is just something simple, just to show that our application works on Windows and also on Android.
Okay.
So any Android device, you can install our app, and you can add gesture. So I don't know if the audience can see it.
So if you turn it to right here, and then turn it, there you go, just like that. If you can, I don't know if you can gesture backwards or not, or if I can do that.
Oh no, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, you can see my hand, kind
of.
of.
Yep.
So yeah, if I do a pinch, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how well this is gonna do backward. Let's see if I can get it.
So we have another camera right there. So let's go like this, so you're seeing it a little better yourself. There you go.
Okay. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you can see I'm interacting with my cell phone. Basically, any pinch gesture works like a tap on the phone.
Okay.
So I could do like a, tap and swipe like I was doing. And basically, that's like me swiping. Or I can just do like a short tap to say launch an application, like so.
Okay.
So I'm just launching AirTouch as well. So you can see, it's like, hey, I can stop it and stop the application. I run it. So I have a little camera to show, it's like what I'm doing, my gesture. But I could just as well as turn this preference off. And all I do is I go to the preference settings and I say stop overlay and run again. Is it running? Yep.
So give me an idea about, I think most people understand that we have some challenges in the building today because of and I'm sure your program works because we're connected, or you're connected as well. We have some connectivity issues here. So it works on Android, works on Windows.
Yes.
And so if you're on Windows, you're at your office.
Yeah.
Give me some real-world examples of why gestures would be better than maybe using your mouse or a touch screen.
Yeah. One simple example, PowerPoint presentation.
Okay.
Advancing it and moving back. Instead of using the clicker, you can just use your hand.
Okay.
You don't have to remember to fetch your little clicker. Actually, and I think our product is superior. So we give you capability to program shortcut key. So PowerPoint happens to give you shortcut key to call, say, a laser pointer or a pen on command. So not only can you advance slide, you can just say on command laser pointer. It's like point to where I want to go, or pen, and circle where I want to go. So the other use case for, say, an enterprise office would be a smart board. Any display can now be a smart board.
Sure.
So you can doodle on, interact with any application. You don't need to buy a special, expensive, smart board that comes with its own proprietary software that, people may or may not be happy with.
Yeah.
Our stuff works with any application. So you have the wide range of choice of everything that exists for Windows or Android applications.
Okay. Yeah. And, in the smaller, on the Android side, I love the doodling part, by the way. That's fantastic. So tell me a little bit about on the phone. Why is this important on a phone?
Well, it's probably not as useful on a smaller screen. It'd be hard to interact with,
Yep.
but maybe more useful, say, on the tablet. Unless on the phone, you may want to just configure a simple gesture for, like, say, I want to like take pictures, snap picture remotely,
Gotcha.
or something like that. Or if you say you're a chef, you're preparing a meal and you want
Oh,
to just
there
like
you go.
simple swipe
Yeah.
that down.
Instead of
to,
having your floury fingers all over the screen and stuff, right? You'd have the gestures.
Yeah.
And I would imagine even like a programmer, I'm thinking like myself, I'm playing with some robotics right now, so I could gesture how to move the robot around on the Android. I mean, these are all possibilities. I mean, you just, you layer on top of what you build to create new things, right? So, yeah, I could see where that's pretty cool. So, is it an app that we can just download and put on our phone and on Windows right now?
Yep, absolutely. It's an exe file on Windows or
Okay.
APK file on Android. Just go
Okay.
to our website, neuro-lab.com. Purchase a subscription. You can download it. We have a free trial going on right now just for CES. You get a 30 days free trial.
Okay.
So yeah, you can try it out, see if you like it. And we love to have feedback. We love feedback from users.
I love the board idea. I really do. I could see where, and then you can just, I would imagine you can just take it after you're doodling on whatever surface, right? You can just take a snapshot of that and then throw it in AI, and AI will figure it all out for you. So that's really clever, actually. I'm gonna play with that. That's great.
Yeah. So I mean, it's not just obviously. It's like any display can now be interactive.
Yep.
Our goal is to replace remote controller. I hate remote controllers. I have 5 different ones between cable box,
Yes.
streaming box, or whatever thing.
That is an
get rid
insane
of all of
problem.
them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So our long-term goal is get rid of that remote
Okay.
controller, and not only not replacing remote controller. I think we opened up a whole world of interaction with display or your television at home. Now all of a sudden, every display can be interactive.
Yeah.
So you imagine like every single app on your cell phone, on Android or Apple phone can now be you can interact with it on your television. That's very possible. I mean, technically,
Yep.
it's already there. We
Yep.
just need to distribute it. Or imagine home shopping network. On steroid. You can have a try-on experience, swipe right, swipe left, like, test out my lipstick color and my shades, and then, just click on order right on the screen.
Yeah.
It's like, so you open up so many more possibility for a traditional boob tube, so to speak.
Yeah. Give us your website again.
It's neuro-lab.com.
All right. neuro-lab.com. You can go get the app. You can put the software on your Windows device or on your Android right now, and you have a free trial that people can play around with this a little bit and check it out. So Sherry, thank you so much.
Thank you
for
so
being
much.
on the show. I appreciate it, and good luck to your rest of your CES as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The Tech Podcast Network CES 2025 coverage is executive produced by Adam Barker. Technical director is Kirk Corliss. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Tracy Ingram, Xerxes Goddard, Brandy Jackson, and Aviva Cram. Voiceover by Aaron Hurst. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, and Scott Ertz. Studio and equipment are provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. The TPN studio executive is Todd Cochran. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production, copyright 2025.